Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Today we have one of my favorite full body workouts to burn fat and tone the body. So let's get right into it. First, starting with a high knee to back tap, 30 seconds on the clock. What we're gonna do is high knee, all right, nice flex foot, and then you're gonna back tap, all right? Tap it to the back, straight, and then repeat. Together, up, down, together. Very, very good. This takes a little bit coordination, so we're working out our mind as well. All right, we have a nice straight back when we come here, a nice straight line from the tip of my head all the way down to my foot. All right, coming back to a nice standing strong position, a little bend in the knees, shoulders are pushed away from our ears, and then up, flex foot, using your core muscles to bring your knee up to you. All right, and then down, together, up, back, together. Very, very good. Breathing. Awesome job. Take your time. You don't have to go at my pace. You can go at your own pace. All right, that's the beauty of 30 seconds. All right, you can hold on to a wall if you need to for balance. All right, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and together. Very good. Next, we have an open, closed torso. Nice little wide stance. Bend in the knees, strong, arms out. You're gonna close your hands together, one side, open, and then the other. Trying to keep your lower body forward, all right? We're not twisting that part too, just our upper body. Very good. Breathe as you open. Exhale as you close. Awesome job. You can look forward or you can go ahead and follow your hands, whatever helps with, your balance. I don't want you to get dizzy. Awesome job. And 3, 2, 1, and release, all right? Remember not to open up that rib cage when you're going like this, all right? Always close the rib cage in every single exercise you do. We never want to go like this. Boom, close it in, all right? Very good. Next, we have a squat to curtsy lunge. All right, feet are hip width apart. We'll go into squat, sit in our invisible chair, come up, curtsy lunge to one side, up, squat, and then the other. Very good. Awesome job. Center, and then side. Center, and then side. Awesome job. Make sure your back is nice and straight. All right. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. Hold that squat. And up, squeeze, and release. Very good. Next and last but not least, before we do it all again, is a fold to roll up. All right. So arms all the way up. We're folding down, nice straight back as far as you can go until you have to start rounding. And then we roll all the way up. All right. Flat back, hinge. So you're pushing your hips back. Roll. Very good. Inhale as you come up. Exhale as you fold. This should feel good. A little mix between strengthening and stretching. All right, roll your shoulders back when you're coming up, okay? And your head is the last thing to go. So one vertebrae at a time. 3, 2, 1. And there we have it, set 1 of one of my favorite put together workouts. Take a second, big breath, and let's do it again. Starting with a high knee to back tap. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Wide stance, open, close, torso twist. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Squat to curtsy lunge. Big breath. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Hold, hold, and come up. Very good. Shake it out. Fold to roll up. Big breath. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Take your time on this last roll up, one vertebrae at a time. Shoulders back, head is the last thing up. And celebrate. Whoop, whoop. 2 sets. Done and dusted. Great job. Take a second, big breath. And set number 3, starting with our high knee to back tap. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Wide stance, open, close, torso twist. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Squat to curtsy lunge. Big breath. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Hold, hold, and come up. Very good. Shake it out. Fold to roll up. Big breath. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Take your time on this last roll up, one vertebrae at a time. Shoulders back, head is the last thing up. And that was it. 3 sets of one of my favorite put together routines for the full body to burn fat and tone your body. Let me know in the comments below what you thought. Which move was your favorite? What videos you would like to see more of? And if you have a favorite workout that you've already done with us, drop the link below so someone else can try it, all right? It's all about community, helping each other, and I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.